Welcome to the Storyteller's Path.
Hi, Luna.
Hi, Alex.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
It's a nice day.
Yes, it is.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the cafe.
Really?
Yes. Would you like to come?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great. Let's go.
It's a beautiful morning.
Yes, the weather is nice.
I like sunny days.
Me too.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every weekend.
That's nice.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite coffee?
I like cappuccino.
Mine is latte.
Hello.
Hello.
What would you like?
I'd like one latte, please.
Sure. I'd like one cappuccino, please. Anything else?
2 sandwiches, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This cafe is nice.
Yes, I like this place.
It's clean.
And it's quiet.
I like the music.
Me too.
Look,
Our food is here.
great.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is your coffee good?
Yes, it's very good.
Is your sandwich tasty?
Yes, it is.
Mine is delicious.
I'm happy.
Me too.
What is our next stop?
Let's go shopping.
Good idea. Is the bus stop far?
No,
How far is it?
about 5 minutes.
That's close.
Yes.
Let's walk.
Okay.
Is this our bus?
No.
What number do we need?
Bus number 10.
Oh, okay.
Here it comes.
Great.
Let's get on. Hello.
2 tickets, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Can we sit here?
Yes.
This seat is comfortable.
Yes.
Look outside.
The city is beautiful.
Wow.
This mall is big.
Yes.
Where do you want to go first?
The clothing store.
Let's go.
I like this t-shirt.
It's nice.
Do you like the blue one?
Yes.
I'll buy it.
Good choice.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes, we are.
That is $25.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Can I have a bag, please? Of course.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wow. There are so many books.
Yes, I like this bookstore.
I want an English book.
This one looks good.
Let me see.
It is easy to read.
I like it.
Are you going to buy it?
Yes, I am.
Great choice.
Excuse me,
Yes.
where is the hotel?
Go straight. Turn right at the traffic light. The hotel is next to the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was easy.
Yes. Let's go.
The hotel is very close.
Yes, I can see it.
It looks beautiful.
I like the big entrance.
Me too.
Look at the flowers.
They are lovely.
Let's go inside.
Sure.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your room key.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Wow. This room is beautiful.
Yes, it is very nice.
Look at the big window.
The view is amazing.
I like this room.
Me too.
The bed looks comfortable.
Yes, we can relax for a while.
Good idea.
Let's sit down. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Let's have dinner.
Sounds good.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I like it.
Dinner was delicious.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Today was fun.
We visited many places.
I learned many new English words.
That's great.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Of course.
Thank you for today.
I had a great time.
Me too.
Take care.
You too.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.